Okay, for question 2, we have a 5 kilogram block that is moving a straight line in a horizontal frictionless surface under the influence of a force that varies with its position, blah, blah, blah. How much work is done by the force as the block moves from the origin to 8.0 meters? So it's starting here, and it's moving up to 8.0 meters. So how much work is done by this force? Well, this is a force versus position plot, right? And the way we find work done in a force versus position plot is we just integrate. We take the area under the curve, which means the area between the curve and the x-axis, which is right along here. See where the mouse is pointing, where 0 is? That's the x-axis. So to take the area of this, the easy way to do this is just count the number of boxes and then multiply by the work, or multiply by the area of one box. So what I'm going to say is, here's our, when it's greater than 0 here, up to 4, there's one box, there's 2 boxes, and you can kind of see these two together make one more box. So it's total plus 3 boxes. So I'm going to say, just to keep track here, from 0 meters to 4 meters, we have plus 3 boxes. Okay. And what's the other one? Okay. And then from 4 to 6, we don't do any work, of course, because this is where we've got 0 force, and if there's no force, there's no work. From 6 to 8, you have this negative force that goes up. So really, this is like a negative, this area in here, which is a negative 1/2 of a box. And then we don't care after that because we're just talking about going to 8 meters. So negative 1/2 of a box. So 6 meters to 8 meters, we have minus 1/2 of a box. So the total, and we'd add 0 between 4 and 6, so I'd left a gap there, but you get the idea. So total is plus 2.5 boxes. So what's a box worth? Well, not hard to, whoops, sorry about that. Okay, what's a box worth? A box is 2 meters on a side by 5 newtons. So one box, this should be pretty easy, one box equals 2 meters times 5 newtons, which equals 10 newton meters, but 10 newton meters is 10 joules. So this means this total of 2.5 boxes should be just 25 joules. So let's see if that is correct. How much work is done as we go from, let's see, 25 joules, let's hope. And ding, 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 ding. Okay, there we go. Let's move on to problem 3, since the video is young. Actually, no, it's not. I'll do a separate video for 3.